Hey YouTube, Jimmy C here, out in the garage. I'm going to do a little fix on an air hose that was given to me for free because it was broken. So let me show you the issue. The issue is most air hoses have an end like this where you can screw fittings into. You know, a little bit like that. Well, this was given to me because this end no longer has the piece to screw into. So I cut it off, and after I cut it off, I figured I should make a video on this. So let me show you what we do. It's quick and easy. Oh, and by the way, Ian, I'm saving a little piece of brass, alright? Anywho, let's bring the camera down here. Where we at? Alright, there we go. That's enough to see what we gotta see. Hose. See the hose? See the torch? Turn the torch on. Hit that button. Heat hose up. Heat the inside of the hose. We'll flare out the end a little bit, but you know, the idea is to get it nice and moist in there. Then take your fitting, jam it in there. Grab hose clamp and clamp it shut. Would have been nice if I grabbed a flathead screwdriver. Hold that. Flathead screwdriver. Alrighty. Now we're able to add whatever we want. You know, you want to put one of these on there? Let's put one of these on there. That's not the right one to go on there, but I got one. Here we can neck it up if we want. Yeah, there we go. Neck it up. Yeah, we'll put. No, we won't have to neck it up. We'll just put this one on right here. Yeah. You want me to put the tape on it? I'll put the tape on it. There we go. Now you can put whatever chuck you want to, plug in there, you know. Plug your top. Plug your air tool right in. All good to go. Bye-bye. Yeah, baby. Catch you later. Peace. Hey folks, Jimmy C here. Just wanted to do a quick little scratch ticket video here. I got a few of these for my birthday the other day and figured I'd make a video out of them. This one here is from my buddy Mike and his wife Dolores. What are we gonna do? We're gonna get a star or a money bag. Alright. No money on this one. At least I don't see any. You see any? I don't see none. Anyway, no money in that one. Let's see. This other pile is from my buddy Paul and his girl Teresa. And he gave us a bunch. We got this one, that one. Let's do a couple of them. Let's see. And same row, that one. And we're going to do Whoa, there's one, we got a winner. What we got over here? Nothing there. Yeah, nothing there, so what we got? Oh, yeah, we got $2. We get $2 winner right there. No.